In this video, I want to show you how to hide your desktop icons. For example, I have these files on my desktop and some shortcut icons. If I don't want to see all these icons on my desktop, I want a clean and clear desktop. How do I do it? To do that is quite simple. Just right click and then come to view, and then here you can see show desktop icons. If you don't want it to show, you can just uncheck it. For example, if I uncheck it, you can see that all the icons has disappeared. I now have a clean desktop such that I can see my background image. So if you want to free your desktop from unnecessary noise, that is, from all icons that could cloud your desktop, this is how to hide it. And if you want it back, just right click on desktop, come to view, and then click on show desktop icons, and everything will show again. So to hide it, right click, come to view, and uncheck this show desktop icon just like this, and all your icons will be hidden. So I hope this video is helpful to someone. Thank you for watching.